Hi guys, so I am very lucky with this channel that every now and then companies send me products for me to try out. So yeah, I've got this lovely ArmyPainter quickshade. Yeah, I love using washes, so to have a nice big tub is awesome. Some lovely dry brushes to do all that slap chop painting, so that's going to be awesome. As well as this lovely big sort of mega brush set, which is going to be really cool. As a lot of the brushes I've got currently are, well, they were super cheap to begin with, and yeah, they're kind of falling apart. So to have some nice brushes to paint with is going to be awesome. But the thing that I'm really super excited here that I've never used and never tried out, and well, that's some airbrush paint. And the reason obviously I bought some airbrush paint is I've just recently got hold of an airbrush. I've never really used one before, but I can't wait to give that a go. So there will be a video out soon, guys, and you can see how I get on, well, airbrushing my first miniature. I have printed out a larger size miniature than a sort of the small little ones, just to make it easier for me to, well, have a go at painting in this style. So yeah, lovely ArmyPainter here have sent me a variety of paints from their starter set, just so I can, well, have a go, see how I get on. And yeah, if I do like using the airbrush, then obviously I will try and get hold of more paints to do, well, more painting with. So this is just a short little video to do a shout out and obviously to sort of thank ArmyPainter so much for sending me this lovely box of goodies. So guys, if you do any airbrushing, by all means leave me some comments down below on, well, what I should be doing and what I shouldn't be doing. I am going to watch a few videos soon just to, well, get a few sort of tips and tricks. But yeah, I can't wait to have a go at airbrushing, well, my first miniature. And if you want to see how I get on with that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Okay guys, you all take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.